Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 85 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're going to be doing exercise 134, which are ascending chromatic scales being transposed.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So normally I put these inversion pairs together and I would normally link 134 and 135, but I think it's really important for us to unpack the differences in when we're going up in chromatic scales versus when we're going down, because we can handle issues of registration very differently. Sometimes people have an issue bringing up too much weight as they go up, or not enough weight as they come down to the bottom, and then you can miss that tuning on the octave. So we are going to be separating these today, and if you need to take this slower, that's fine, but I do like a little bit of fluidity because that helps keep the buoyancy in the breath and the motion through the line. And here is exercise 134. That's always fun. I kind of feel like I'm a vacuum cleaner. So maybe I might want to smooth that out a little bit more. That was a little bit better. So yeah, if you feel like you're doing the vacuum cleaner effect, which in a musical sense could be effective at some point, right? I'm thinking of several musical examples that you might want to do that on chromatic scales, but you also want to know how to do the smooth one. So like I went back and did that and went a little smoother. I would also suggest if you find yourself kind of being notey, go back and smooth that out as well.